Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X20, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Now before you actually tap on it, I do recommend you to hold it to access these settings. We can just customize how it functions. As you can see, we have a bunch of different things that you can change right here. But once you have set it up the way you want, to turn it on, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle, and there you go, it's now enabled. And you can also see this little icon right here to signify that you are using Not Disturb mode at the moment. Now once you're done with it, you can simply tap on it again to turn it off. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.